YouTube channel. So I finally got one of these bad boys. I haven't named her yet. It's definitely a she. So Lola, I might name her Lola. Do y'all like that? Anyway, so this is a video where I'm actually going to be doing my first project with the Tufting gun, and it actually worked out because my dad's birthday is this week, and so I'm going to be making him a rug. Corona is his favorite beer, so my choices was between this Corona illustration that I'm going to put here, an illustration of him when he was young. I think it was like a high school graduation picture of him that I'm gonna put here. I thought that it would be funnier to do his face. This is a cut pile gun, which means that instead of the loops at the end of the yarn, it actually cuts off the pieces of yarn each time it threads the muck cloth. I will be having these where you can pre-order them on my website, DaJaniere.co. So again, thanks for coming, and let's get into this video. Show you up close what this is looking like. So this is what I have my yarn on, this thing here, and with the black you see that I use 2 pieces of yarn, whereas with the green I just use 1 because I don't have that many toilet paper rolls. So I'm going to show you the difference between using the 2 pieces of thread versus the 1 piece of thread. Okay, so this is how it looks on this side. As you see, like the black with the 2 pieces of thread comes out really thick with the 2 pieces, and I probably could have did like less lines in certain areas. Especially when it came to the facial features, I probably could have only did like used 1 piece of thread, whereas down here when I filled in this green area here, I had to go back over it multiple times. You still can kind of like see white areas in there, so I might still have to go back through and just fill it in some more. I think it's looking pretty cool so far. I'm interested in how things are going to turn out, and this is in my bedroom, so sorry for the filming, but if you do mess up on something, you can always just pull the thread out, you know, just pull the thread out. everything is now filled in. This is how it looks. So I'm pretty excited about this. The eyes do look kind of weird. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna be able to fix that or not. We'll see. I'm gonna try to do some playing around with that and see what I can do with the eyes. But otherwise, everything else looks good to me. So here I'm just vacuuming the rug just to make sure that there aren't any loose pieces of yarn that is still hiding in there. After I vacuum it out, I'm going to trim it again. So I'm just kind of trimming around the edges, making sure everything is smooth, making sure all the yarns are the same height. I don't have any pieces of yarn that are sticking out much more than another piece. And then I just vacuum it again. So that's the end of my video, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will be selling these guns on my website. So make sure that you visit DaJaniere.co if you're interested in buying a Cut Pal rug gun.